So how could the bat can bring about the coronavirus in the human? This is the biggest question for us. So this is what we call it as spillover infection. What is this spillover infection? What all we have come across is that anthrax, Ebola, influenza and Zika. Such viruses has been spillover effect. So we have got into the human race. So the pathogens spillover and disease emergence. You can see over here there are some kind of other organisms which can also bring about some kind of a diseases in the human as well. So these are the pathogens, spillover and disease emergence. What exactly this SARS and how did came from bats? The SARS 2002 severe acute respiratory syndrome. So this SARS came from a bat and it has been transferred to a civet and a cat. Later it has been transferred to human being. Okay, so this is during 2002 what had happened. So if you look at on the corner over here, so the percentage of fatality is at 10% because 8,000 people have got affected with the SARS and 800 people died because of this. So that's why, so we can easily calculate 800 divided by 2, 8,000 into 100 gives 10%. Let's say the another one is Middle East respiratory syndrome. So this is again MERS also has arisen from bats to the camel as a pet animals, even civets for that matter. So through that, so the humans have gotten. So MERS in 2012, so 2,500 people have got affected and 850 people got, or lethal. I mean they have died. So that means 39%. And coming to the COVID-19, 2019, we have come across the another event. You can see here the outbreak is that again this virus has been transmitted from bat to pangolin and then to human. 1,53,517 people got affected. 5,735 people have died all over the world. So if you look at the percentage of a death is a 3.7%. If you look at over here, the percentage of lethality is not so severe as compared to the SARS or MERS, but however the infection rate is very high in this case. Then what exactly this virus COVID-19, this virus do? It infects the pulmonary alveolus. Okay, this is the place of infection. The pulmonary alveolus, okay, is hollow cup-shaped cavity found in the lung parenchyma where gas get exchanged. You have two kinds of cells here. The type 1 cells are involved in the process of gas exchange between the alveoli and blood. The another type of a cell secretes pulmonary surfactant. This surfactant is a film of fatty substances, a group of phospholipids that reduces the alveolar surface tension. That's how we breathe in and breathe out, or let's say oxygen, and leave out the carbon dioxide. It affects the type 2 cell particularly, the secrete pulmonary surfactant, a type 2 cells. It affects here. Myself, Dr. Devraju K.S., Professor and Chairman, Department of Biochemistry, Karnataka University, Dharwad, Karnataka, India.